I got these CenDale Printable Shrink Sheets, and they're semi-transparent. They are inkjet printer, and I'm excited to give these a try. So you can see on the packaging that it says print side here. So when you take it out, you want to make sure that that's the side that you're going to be printing on. And this is pretty sturdy here. So just make sure that you add the print side the correct way into your printer. To a Word document here, and I brought this cute bunny in. I want to make one with this on it as well. Now, when I bring it into Word, because I want to be printing from Word, you want to go to this icon here and you want to do wrap and through, and it's also up here, text wrapping through, because then you can move it around on the page, as you can see here. So now let's insert some more pictures. Now I've got this set to 0. Let's go layout here. Margins are set to 0. I am going to go with portrait here instead of landscape because I think it'll be better for this paper when we go through. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to insert some of those Highland cows, if I can find them here. Oh, there they are. All right, so I will make them bigger so we can look at them. And this is my favorite, so I'm going to put that one in for sure. And this one's really cute too. I'll put that one in. And I think I'll just put 4 on here because they shrink down so small that I think I want to have them bigger. So let's see here. And these, again, I am going to cut these by hand. So let's go with this guy here. All right, so we got the wrap and through. And so I'm going to shrink him down. Okay, fit on the paper. Move them up, where'd the rest go? I thought I hit them all at the same time, but let's go back and insert some more pictures here. There's my favorite, my buddy. And wrap and through and shrink it down. And now you could add names to these. You could pull them into Canva and add names to these as well. I'm not going to do anything like that right now, but I did notice that they are brighter on the other side. So if you do add a name, I suggest reversing your print, but that is totally up to you which side you have it on. I am not going to be adding any names or anything to these right now because we're just going to do this and get it done quickly here. We'll grab a couple more of these cows. Let's see. Let's see. They are so cute. All right. And then wrap and through and shrink it down so that it fits on the page here. All right. So I think that is enough for this one. Maybe shrink this guy a little bit more. Yeah, here. And then I will get these printed now. This one can be a little bit bigger. And this guy a little bit bigger, I think. Let's see. There we go. All right, so now I'm going to go to File and Print, and I'm using my Epson EcoTank 2400, which is a regular printer. I love these EcoTanks. I have them for sublimation and for regular printing. This is just a regular color inkjet printer. So I'm going to go under Printer Properties here, and I'm going to change this to the A4 size. I'm going to leave it plain paper, bright white, and standard because that seemed to work the first time that we did this pretty well. And I'm going to turn bidirectional off. And so let's get this printed and we will get started. So these are printed, and so I will get them cut out. They can be quite large because we have a better option with this than the print and cut. All right, I've got our inkjet printed design here, and I cut some down to size, and so I'm going to work with these 2 first, and I am going to use a heat gun. So here we go. I've got this set up with the heat gun, and I've got my board here so I can put it under. Here we go. Curl up. Let's see if they come back to the right size here. Come on. Pull that back out. Got my heat resistant gloves on for a reason here. There we go, flatten them out. All right, now I'll get that one under the board right away. I will do this one. Gotta kind of let them do their own thing, I guess. See if he flattens back out. Woo! He'll blow away on me. If I can get this open. Back up. There we go. There. Looks like it's done. So let's get this one under the board as well, and we'll get the rest cut out. So these turned out really good from being under the board. You can see the different side. They kind of have a different look to them from the other side, but they look really good. They shrunk down really nicely. I do like that we use like 1/4 of a sheet instead of making them get so itty bitty tiny. There is a considerable difference in size from the ones that I use the print and cut feature on compared to the ones that I cut by hand. So you have to make up your mind on that. Now I will get some findings on these. You can really see the size difference on these, but they turned out really cute. These little guys are adorable. These were the print and cut feature, and these were the ones that I hand cut. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.